Welcome to my YouTube channel, Apna Huner Apni Pachin, your trusted platform where knowledge turns into success. In today's video, we'll dive deep into Lecture 17 and 18 of your course Database Management System from the Virtual University of Pakistan. These lectures are a must-watch for your midterm preparation and will boost your conceptual understanding to the next level. So keep your pen, notebook, and determination ready because we're about to make learning easy, clear, and effective. If you find this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Apna Huner Apni Pachin. Your support is what keeps us motivated to create more valuable content for VU students just like you.